Welcome to the next class, modularization at class level. So, first of all, you have to consider project. Let us continue with the previous one. Here you have to create new class. What is the package there? I'm just giving the another package, pkg3, and my class name is here. Write volume and write a main method. Right here another class, public class. Oh, in class level you have to create with the volume.java only. So, file, save as, introduce some method, public void print. You have to write volume of cuboid double L, comma, double B, comma, double H. You have to give the semicolon in the last. So flower bracket in the last. Because it's class level, class should not end here. Public double, and here you have to give return L into B into H, semicolon. Next, what is the previous class name? Wall, and give us A is equal to new wall. And here your object is nothing but A dot print. Give L values 10, 20, B 20, 30. Give semicolon here. Now let us run this program. For this reason, what you have to do? You have to run the package 3. Run as Java application. Here it is not coming result. Why? Again, you have to take the double R is equal to, and here you have to give system dot out dot println R. Whenever you are calling this method, where it will go? A dot print L length value is 10, breadth value is 20, 30. Here it should multiply length into breadth into height. Volume A is equal to new volume, double R is equal to A dot print. You have to print R. Here you can take as 10.5, and here you can take 20.2, and here you can take 30.2. Click on save. Yes, if you multiply 10, 20, if you multiply 10.5 into 20.2 into 30.2, because here whenever you are having getting conflict, that type of error also seen here. For this reason, what you have to do, click on this project, just click on run as Java application, and please select the appropriate class name. Here my package is PKG, so you will get the result. So that is nothing but the modularization at a class level. Okay, that's about this concept, and I hope you are clear with this. And thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, put like, and share with others.